Hi guys, I just had to make a video. This little whistling teapot, it reminds me of when I was a child. My mother had one. And let's see how it sounds. Yeah. I just used it. See how long it takes. I don't have a lot of water in it. Oh, it's not on high. I remember when I was a little girl. Forgive the pans behind it. It's so cute. This is Mainstay. And it's such a good price. It's only $8.98, guys. $8.98. They didn't have a different color, but I prefer this color anyway. So let's see how long it takes. I don't want the video to be too long. Oh, I hear it bubbling. When I was a little girl, I remember waking up to hearing that noise, my mother making her hot water for her coffee. This is at Walmart.com. Less than $9. Really cute. It's heating. Is that not adorable, guys? Just thought you might want to check it out.